Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I have to apologize. Something is amiss again. Um, Two Hands in a Radio, who does a fantastic show similar to mine, just sent me a comment saying that he posted a comment recently and it didn't show up. And he was thinking maybe it was because he had a link in the comment. Well, what happens on YouTube? They scan your comments, the comments that are sent to your shows. And if they see something they don't like, they will mark it as spam. And they don't like people to include links because it could be a bad link and cause problems. So they mark it spam. They do not notify the channel's owner that they've done that. But they stick it, and I don't know if it's going to show up on this screen or not. They stick it in this likely spam folder. And they don't tell you. So you have to take it upon yourself to go periodically check this folder. Well, I haven't been doing that. And so when he told me about his comment not showing up, I went and checked. Strange enough, his comment was not there. At least I couldn't find it, which is another little quirk about leaving comments. Sometimes they just disappear and I get no notification of it. Or if it's marked spam, I get no notification. If it's a good comment and it actually gets posted to a video, I do get notification. And I try to stay right on top of those comments because those are very important things to me and my viewers, to see those comments from people who are a lot smarter than me. So I check my emails all day long, and if I get one of those emails from YouTube that says, hey, you got this comment, I go check it, I reply to it. So I apologize to those people whose comment either got lost or stuck in this spam folder. Now, right now, I've gone through and cleared out all the spams, either okayed them or deleted them. And so right now there's no spams. But I have to manually remember to go do that. I need to set up on my calendar to once every couple of days, go check for likely spam and do something with it. Either accept it or get rid of it. So I apologize if you, and some of these that I noticed today, there was like 8 of them, were a couple months old. So people are like, gee, I commented to Tom and he didn't reply. What's with that? Well, that's why. And I apologize for not comment or not allowing your comment to be posted. I am very sorry, but that's the situation. I have to deal with it. I have to keep on my toes. Anyway, that's it. Keep those comments coming. I really appreciate it. Like I said, one thing that will put a comment in the likely spam folder is if you have a link. Now, I've noticed it's not always. Some comments have links and they get through. I don't know what the algorithm is that YouTube uses to filter them out. So keep them coming. I'll try to stay on top of it more than I have been. And I thank Two Hands in a Radio for reminding me of that because I have been negligent. Have a great day. Bye-bye.